Here's something you don't find every day in your rock pooling net. A conger eel. We don't know where we're going to put this guy to get you guys a better show. Eels like this are usually in deep waters, around rocks, or in pipes around harbours. Although this is a big conger eel to find along the shore, these guys can grow many, many times bigger than this. Juvenile eels like this are often called strap eels because of the black strap along their dorsal fin. They've also got an amazing ability to swim backwards. There it is. Then it's so much more beautiful under the water.